was 8 o'clock this morning. I'm back set up in this bottom, looking over these white oak acorn trees. We didn't get to hunt last weekend, and so since I've been up here last, the trail that I walk in here on, a buck has done made 2 or 3 new pawings on it since I've been back, and they look like they were pretty fresh. But I'm gonna be able to hunt all day today and then Sunday morning. So hoping maybe we'll see some stuff this weekend and I can get some pretty good footage. Maybe you can get a big old buck, but I'm pretty sure that's probably gonna be later on whenever the rut starts, but you never know. So I set yesterday afternoon, didn't see anything, didn't get to hunt by about an hour. So you'll sit back and see what comes out. Alright guys, it's 10 o'clock and I'm about to get down and head to the camp. I wound up seeing 4. We seen that one little spike that broke his point off, and then the 2 does that was with him, and then a little while later I saw another spike. But my uncle shot at an 8-point. He didn't think he hit him, but he got down and he said he found pretty good blood, so I'm gonna go ahead and get down and see if we can go either help him find him or see the deer. But yeah, maybe we'll get back out here this afternoon. I don't know necessarily where I'm gonna sit. I don't know if I'm gonna sit here or in a different spot, but I'll get back at y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, here's one of those pawns I was talking about earlier. Right there on the way to my tree. And I'll walk on up here and you can see the next one too. Alright guys, here's that paw I was talking about that was on the way to my stand. You can see there's some fresh deer crap in it, but it's probably just a little scrubbed up. again this afternoon. I must set up in the same spot I was this morning. I decided just to come on back. I hadn't sat here in the afternoon yet, so we'll see what happens. The whole time I was climbing the tree, setting up, I could hear something walking in the leaves behind me, walking up this creek here. When I finally got set up and sat down, there come a darn armadillo. He's right down here below me, going through the leaves. But yeah, maybe one of them big old hogs will come walking down this creek and I can bust him this afternoon, or a big old buck. But anyways, I can tell you one thing, it is dry. It is super dry. We ain't got no rain for, I mean, it's a little over a month we ain't had any rain. I mean, you can just look at the trees around us. There's down trees dying. I mean, there's just right here around me, there's darn trees that just pretty much dead. But I hope we get some rain soon. We ain't got no food plots, but nobody around here got any food plots yet because there ain't no darn rain. So you just gotta find a natural food source, or set over some corn, but or find some water. But I've got both. I've got water here behind me in the creek. This creek here still got a little water in it, and then I got these acorn trees here, and plus just natural trails coming through here. But yeah, let's sit back and see what happens. Guys, it's November 6th, and it's 7 o'clock right now. Time went back last night, so just seems like it's earlier, but it's not. But I'm set up in a creek bottom today. Decided to move. I sat here last year a few times, saw some bugs, and saw a pretty nice 10-point. I let him go. He had some pretty nice long tines, but hoping he's still around. If he is, he should be a pretty good deer this year. But before we left camp, we checked the temperature. It's like 49 degrees, so it's not really cold. But every once in a while we'll get a couple wind gusts, and I'm sure it's probably gonna get up later in the morning. But we had two hogs killed off our club yesterday, and then one of my uncles shot a buck, and we could never find him. He must have did make a good shot at him. But anyways, I'm gonna sit back. Maybe the old buck will step out. If not, I'm just gonna be happy if I see something. So I'll get back at y'all in a minute.